I'm coming in for our security forces who have thwarted Pakistan's sinister plot ahead of the District Development Council polls in Jammu and Kashmir. 4 Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists have been neutralized after an encounter broke out at Bun-Toll Plaza in Jammu's Nagrota area. The fierce gunfight erupted early this morning after security forces intercepted a truck in which terrorists were traveling to Kashmir. After the forces stopped their truck, the terrorists opened fire, forcing the security personnel to retaliate. 2 security personnel have been injured in the gunfight. 11 AK-47 rifles, 29 grenades along with magazines have been recovered from these terrorists. These Jaish terrorists had infiltrated through the international border in Samba sector.
एनकाउंटर तकरीबन 3 घंटे तक चला, जिसपे हम पर काफ़ी भारी मात्रा में एम्युनिशन फायर किए गए, ग्रेनेड्स फेंके गए। 2 पुलिस के कांस्टेबल्स हमारे जख्मी हुए हैं, जो अभी आउट ऑफ डेंजर हैं। एनकाउंटर के दौरान 4 आतंकवादी मारे गए। इनकी शिनाख्त अभी नहीं हो पाई है। ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो आतंकवादी मारे गए हैं, ये किसी बड़े मंसूबे को अंजाम देने के लिए इन्फिल्ट्रेट हुए थे और जम्मू से कश्मीर घाटी की तरफ जा रहे थे।
बड़ी मात्रा में सामग्री के साथ ये सभी आतंकवादी कश्मीर घाटी में घुसने की फिराक में थे। पाकिस्तान की साजिश है कि जम्मू कश्मीर में जो जिला परिषद के चुनाव होने वाले हैं, उसमें खून खराबा किया जाए, खलल डाला जाए। लेकिन पाकिस्तान की किसी भी साजिश को हम कभी पूरा नहीं होने देंगे। चुन चुन कर आतंकवादियों का सफाया करेंगे। सेना और जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस के जांबाज वीरों को पूरा देश सलूट करता है, जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान की इस बड़ी साजिश को विफल कर दिया है।
Sunil Ji Bhatt is now joining us live for the latest. Sunil Ji, go ahead and explain to us all that transpired. This is a big shot in the arm that is coming in for our security forces with 4 terrorists being neutralized. And of course, the bid has been foiled as well very successfully by our security forces.
Absolutely, Cheti. It's a big success for the security forces. Early this morning at around 5 a.m., a truck was intercepted by the security forces near Bun-Toll Plaza on Jammu-Srinagar National Highway. The security forces had prior intelligence input, and when the truck was intercepted, suddenly the terrorists who were hiding inside the truck, they lobbed a grenade towards the security forces, and they also fired at the security forces. And soon security forces also swung into action. Then they also fired back at the terrorists. There was retaliation from the security forces, and in the gunfight, 4 terrorists belonging to Jaish-e-Mohammed were gunned down, were neutralized. And Director General of Jammu and Kashmir Police Dilbagh Singh, who spoke earlier to us exclusively, he said that these terrorists had infiltrated from the Samba sector along the international border in Jammu region, and they were planning to carry out a major terror attack in the Kashmir Valley in the run-up to that District Development Council elections. So it's a big success for the security forces, considering the fact that huge cache of arms and ammunition was also recovered. And the Inspector General of Jammu Zone, Inspector General of Police Jammu Zone Mukesh Singh, who spoke to me earlier exclusively, he also said that after many years, such a huge cache of arms and ammunition was recovered from the Pakistani terrorists. So you can understand that these terrorists were going to carry out major terror attacks in the Kashmir Valley, because already campaigning is on. The first phase of district development election is going to take place on November 28. So Pakistan is looking for an opportunity to disrupt these elections, to disrupt the democratic process in Jammu and Kashmir. Now security has been tightened all along the international border as well as along the line of control, because as per the intelligence inputs, there is presence of terrorists at the terror launch pads on the other side of the line of control, and Pakistan and terrorists are looking for an opportunity to infiltrate these terrorists. But Cheti,
all right, Sunil Ji, thanks for getting our viewers up to speed with the very latest. We're stepping to a very short commercial break. When we return, former